The Aqua Tote travel water bags are a really simple solution to a very common problem. Taking water with you on the go or having a water bowl with you that's convenient to bring to doing anything from painting to, I don't know, giving your dog some water. It's important to be able to travel with it easily, not worrying about it breaking, and also that it's easy to clean. The Aqua Tote is something that will fold completely flat. You can see right here, this is how they come, completely flat. You can open them up and then use them and then fold them flat again. And when they're open, and this is really a really nice thing, they stay open. They don't collapse in themselves. So they have carrying handles. This is the regular and this is the mega. And you'll see that when you lift it up and carry it with you, the liquid inside is not going to fall out on you. It stays put. They also feature 6 brush pockets, so if you're using this for watercolor, you can fit 6 short handle brushes. You can fit long handle brushes in there too. It might just look a little awkward. And then over here is the Mega Aqua Tote. Now, when you're using this big one right here, okay, or I guess even the small one, you want to make sure that you use water in them, but if you're wanting to use something like solvents, you can actually just put jars of solvent right in here and just carry the jar like this and have the brush holding convenience. There are actually 8 pockets on the mega size. So the Aqua Tote travel water bags, really simple solution for a very common need to bring water with you anywhere.